When searching for the right used auto dealer, keep these important things in mind. Determine what your real needs are. You may think you need that sporty convertible. However, your real need may be an SUV to fit the family and have room to haul the materials for that next home improvement job. Honest, reliable used auto dealers will help you find the right vehicle for you. The best used auto dealerships have customers that return over the years, as various family members need to purchase a vehicle. It's also a smart idea to come to the negotiating table or floor well prepared. That means doing your homework first. You may want to visit the dealer's website as well. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a used auto dealer that's right for you. 1. Remember, a professional used auto dealer will have access to any documentation that verifies the history of a vehicle you may be interested in. 2. If you're planning to trade in your existing car, make sure you've thoroughly researched the value of the automobile you'll be trading in. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right auto dealer. The information we provide will save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.